Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to my cousin's graduation and college station. So I'm gonna do a quick little get ready with me type thing. My hair is nuts because it's been in a bun and it's about to get straightened. So let's just ignore that. So I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place palette. Okay, and for primer on my eyes, I'm gonna use this Morphe primer. I love you. I'm just gonna take about like this much. Okay, first I'm gonna take Cairo. I think that's how you say that one. And I'm just gonna load my brush with that one, and I'm just gonna use that one as my first transition shade. So I'm just gonna kind of like, I'm not really blending it out right now. I'm just gonna kind of pack it where I want it, and then I'm gonna go back in with my NB23 and really blend it out. Oh, there it is. Okay. So like I said, I'm gonna take my NB23 and I'm just gonna windshield wiper motion all of this. Okay, next I'm gonna take that same M433 and I'm gonna pick up Ada, this one right here. Okay, and I'm gonna pack that one in a little bit lower. Okay, this M222 brush. I'm gonna use that one with that same color, and I'm just gonna make sure that I get it low. Back with that same blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, and then with this E24 brush from Morphe, I'm gonna take the color Zulu. And deepen it up some more. Actually, I'm gonna mix Zulu with Fulani. I need a freaking bandage. Okay. So I'm gonna take this Morphe G14. It's just like a flat shader brush. I'm gonna take Casablanca, just this color right here, and I'm gonna use that on my lid. But before Weston wants to be heard. Before I dip into that, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of Fix Plus on it. Okay, and I'm just gonna pack that on there. If you don't want to use your finger whenever you're doing a shade like this on your lid, you want to use like a dense eyeshadow brush like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna take in 222 brush, there we go, and I'm gonna go back into that Ada color and mix that one with Zulu and just put it back in right here to make sure that it's blended really well. And then the MB23 to just nicely Okay, I'm gonna go and do my other eye off camera, and I'll come back on and show you the face. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera. During that process, Weston wanted to be held, so he is sitting in my lap right now. Okay, so I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. I'm in the shade 106A. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Okay, so I'm just going to use my buffer brush. It's the M439. I used to use the L'Oreal Tree Match cushion, like in junior high, and I didn't like it the way that I like this one. I also wanted to try the, what is it called? No, yeah, the new Maybelline like Color Stay maybe. It's like, and it has a white top on it. I wanted to try that one. Bless you. Bless you. Okay, I just had to pull my hair back because it was getting on my nerves. Okay, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal. I'm just going to buff it out with that same foundation brush. I don't feel like going wet in my beauty blender. Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Okay, so I'm going to take some powder and I'm just going to set my under eyes because I'm going to put some cream products on my cheeks. After I set my under eyes, since I still have the foundation on without it being set, I'm going to take this Younique Duet stick, and I'm going to use the contour side, and I'm going to contour under my cheeks. Okay, so like I said, I'm taking the Younique Duet stick. I'm going to put some on the sides of my nose. Okay, and to blend this out, I'm going to use the Morphe E8 brush. After that, I'm going to take the foundation brush that I use and just kind of brush over it to make it look more skin-like. And then using this multi-purpose brush, I can't remember where I got what brand this is. Maybe Flower Beauty. I just got in the brush section at Walmart. I'm going to take Beachfront Bronzer in Sunset. This is also from Younique. And I'm just going to dip into it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Ghost again. And I'm going to go in and set my face everywhere that I didn't put powder already. And I'm going to bake underneath this contour. And I'm going to use the same brush that I use under my eyes for this. Okay, so it stopped recording, but all I did off camera was I finished applying where I wanted this to like bake at, and then I wiped it off. Okay, so next I'm going to do blush. And for blush today, I'm going to use my Benefit Dandelion. This is just a little travel size because I used to have the big one. I ran out, but it lasts forever, so I just bought the tiny one this time. And now I'm going to go in for eyebrows. I'm going to use the Anatasia Dipbrow in Soft Brown. I've been doing like crazy looks on here lately, like a lot of color. I know a lot of people don't wear color very often, so my next one, I promise, will be a more wearable look. So I'm just going in right now, and I'm just gonna kind of outline how I want my brow to be shaped. And then I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Unbelievable, and I am going to use that to fill in my brow. Okay, I'm not really liking the way that looks, so I'm just gonna go back in with my Dipbrow again and just kind of go over that and blend it out. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna take the foundation that I used on a flat brush, and I'm gonna carve out the top of my brow. This is the kind of brush that I'm gonna use to, I don't know if you can see that, let's see. That on my brush, and I'm just gonna go around. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and go over it to make sure that it blends right. Almost time for us to leave, and I'm not ready. He's not dressed. I'm not dressed. I don't even know what I'm wearing, so that's fine. Always, whenever my eyeshadow is like dramatic, I like to just keep the eyeliner simple. I'm just gonna do a straight line across to hide my lash band. So then I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick and then put some mascara on, and then I will put on some lashes. When I take these lashes, they're from Athena lashes in the style Ruby. I will leave their Instagram down below. They have a lot of really pretty lashes, and they're really affordable, and she always has some type of sale going on. So these are what the lashes look like. I'm gonna measure these out real quick and trim them, and then I'm gonna pop them on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the look with the eyelashes on, and then I think I'm gonna take this Moonstruck Splash Liquid Lipstick from Younique. It's in the color Sublime. Okay, we're all ready to go to the graduation. Okay, please like this video, comment down below videos you'd like to see, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Say bye, Weston. Say bye.